Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to your phone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS software. Then, power on your Apple Watch and keep it close to your iPhone. You will then open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone to start the pairing. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. Once the Apple Watch app is open, you'll see a Start Pairing option on your iPhone. Tap it. Your iPhone camera will activate, and you'll need to align it over the unique animation displayed on your Apple Watch screen. This automatically links the devices. If that doesn't work, choose Pair Manually and enter the 6-digit code shown on your watch into your phone. After successful pairing, you'll decide whether to restore your Apple Watch from a previous backup or set it up as a brand new device. If you're upgrading, restoring is often the best choice. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, sign in with your Apple ID to ensure all your applications, contacts, and services sync perfectly between your phone and watch. As you near completion, you'll be prompted to create a secure passcode for your Apple Watch, which is highly recommended for protecting your data. Then, you can customize various settings, including preferences for Siri, activity tracking, and notifications, to suit your personal needs. Finally, allow a few minutes for all your data to synchronize fully. Your Apple Watch is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.